Let's talk about writing better prompts, because the better your input, the better your output. If your prompt isn't clear or detailed, your thumbnail probably won't match what you had in mind. Here's a quick example of a bad prompt. A video of Jeff Bezos doing evil stuff. This is too vague. Pixels has no idea what you want it to look like. And so here's a good prompt. Jeff Bezos looking evil with glowing red eyes holding mysterious box standing in front of flames with an Amazon logo above his head and big stacks of money around him. This one sets the scene, it gives context and helps Pixels focus on the right details. Now if you're struggling to write, here's a cheat code that I've been using. Click on this little icon, close your eyes and visualize your idea in your mind and then describe it in detail. Once you're done, click right here and give it a couple seconds. Now of course, this will most likely be all over the place, and that's where the enhanced prompt will save you. So click on that and there you go, a perfect prompt is now done. And remember, even after generating the thumbnail, you can always make tweaks using the edit tool. Now, depending on your channel and content, our AI will automatically choose the best model for you. But if you want to choose one specifically, head over to the bottom left where you'll find Pixels 1, which is the simplest, which is great for fast and rough ideas, Pixels 2, which is the most versatile and consistent model, and Pixels 3, our most powerful and capable yet. And of course, if you have any additional questions, don't hesitate to open a support ticket as we're always happy to help.